Tired of making a special trip to the bank or an ATM just to deposit a check? You have a mobile branch right in your pocket. Today, I'm showing you how to deposit a check using the Bank of America mobile app in just a few taps. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. It's a simple process that relies on your phone's camera. Before you start, you'll need two things: the physical check and a well-lit, non-cluttered surface. First, open your BoA app and log in. Find the Deposit Checks feature, usually under the More menu or on your account dashboard. Select the account you want the money to go into. Now, for the key part. Follow the on-screen instructions to take clear pictures of the front and back of the endorsed check. Hold steady and make sure all four corners are visible in the frame. And that leads to my crucial pro tip. Don't forget to endorse the check. On the back, sign your name and right below it, write, "For mobile deposit at Bank of America only." This step is crucial for the deposit to be accepted and protects you from fraud. And that's it, no more trips to the branch. You've just mastered mobile check deposits. What's the most convenient check you've ever deposited from home? A birthday gift, or maybe a rebate? Let me know down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.